Class 6 will start a new chapter called Presentation Visual Effect 1, page 68. Presentation views. So you know that PowerPoint 2013 offers different views to help recognize and prepare your slideshow. The various presentation views you can see in table 5.1, normal view. This is the default view where you create and edit the slides. This view is divided into 3 sections. The slide pane displays a larger view of the current slide. The outline tab will display only the text on the slides. You see here slide pane. This is a slide pane. This is the outline tab with the text on the slides, and this is the note pane at the bottom where you can write notes related to the content of a slide. Slide sorter view. In this view, miniature slides called thumbnail are arranged on the screen. You can drag and drop slides to record, insert and delete. You can see all slides at one time and ensure you have all the needed slides. Reading view. This view fills the window with a preview of the presentation. Unlike slide view, it includes easily accessible buttons for navigation located at the bottom right. It is useful when you want to run the presentation on your computer without showing it to the audience. Slide show view. This view is what the audience will see when you see the presentation. Slide show view has an additional menu that appears when you hover over it, allowing you to navigate slide and access other features you can see during a presentation. So you can see there these are reading view. This view fills the window with a preview of the presentation. Unlike slideshow view, it includes easily accessible buttons for navigation located at the bottom right. Slideshow view. Slideshow view has an additional menu that appears when you hover over it, allowing you to navigate slide and access other features you can use during a presentation. Please try the shortcut keys on your computer. The shortcut keys. On page 69, Tech Help. Applying a theme. A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts and effects. The default Office 2013 theme consists of a white background, Calibri font and black text. Theme can be applied or changed at any time. These themes allow you to easily create attractive presentation while spending a lot of time. PowerPoint 2013 consists of inbuilt themes which can be applied to the presentation. To apply theme, follow the steps. You have to go to Design tab. Better be careful. Design tab is there. This is the Design tab. Theme group. You have to click the theme group, so theme it will open. Click the drop down arrow to access more themes. Then you can browse for more themes. If it is connected with internet, you can get from office.com. However, over a theme, to see a live preview of the presentation, click a theme to apply it to the slides. Remember, if you apply a theme after arranging your content in the slide, the text boxes and placeholder may move. So you should always apply the theme before you start building your presentation. You will be able to arrange your content to fit the layouts. Thank you to all of you.